Hello, Island Shippers? Yes. Oh, great, you have my package. Yes, you can deliver it now. Yes, I'm at work. Thank you. See you soon. That was my contact from Island Shipper. As a mom and a professional, there are times when I find it very difficult to do everything that I would like to do and sometimes that I need to do. That's the reason I depend on Island Shippers to do my deliveries at my office or even at my home. They contact you via email, text messages, WhatsApp, phone calls. They ensure that they keep you updated through the entire process of your shipping. And so I would encourage everybody or anybody who is interested in using their service, I'm going to give you the thumbs up. Go right ahead and contact them. You'll never regret it.